How to download Ring app on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to download and install Ring application on Android. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, launch your Play Store on your device and search for Ring, which is ring.com and always home. So you simply need to locate the official application and tap to open it. Here you will see install button, tap install, and depending on your space that you have on your device and internet connection, it will take a few time to download. And once the application gets downloaded and installed, it will appear on your home screen where you can simply tap and launch the application, create account and use the application. And that's how we download Ring application on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.